Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Cicely's Natural. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get a really quick and simple natural hairstyle that you can do in literally like 10 minutes. Before we get into the video, please subscribe if you haven't already. Alright girl, let's get into it. So the first thing you're going to be doing is parting off a nice section in the front of your hair. This is where we're going to be doing our flexi rides. And to prep for this hairstyle, I did shampoo my hair, condition, and I deep conditioned overnight. Okay, so now we're just going to put that front section away in a scrunchie, and we're just going to come back to it later. For now, we're going to focus on the back of our hair where we're going to be doing some flat twists. And all I did was added a moisturizer to my hair. You can use whatever moisturizer or hair cream of your choice. You just want to add a lot of that to the back of your hair because this is a protective style and it can last days if you do hydrate your hair like you need to. So I'm just going to add that in there really good, and then I'm going to grab my denim brush and just really detangle my hair really good so that there's no knots or anything, and it's really easy for me to flat twist it and get it as flat as possible. Baby, tell me if you like it. Tell me if you like it. I've been waiting, think I wanna make that move now. Baby, tell me how you like it. So now you just want to part your hair going straight down the middle of the back of your head, and then put one side away, and we're going to focus on this side, and we're going to be doing a flat twist. So I'm going to add more hair cream. I just want to make sure that my hair ain't looking dry at all or anything like that. So we're just going to brush that through again to make sure there's no tangles, and then I'm going to add some Eco Styler. You do not have to add gel if you don't want to, but Eco Styler gel works great for my hair. It helps everything lay really flat, and my waves and curls, you know, makes it really pop. So then I'm just going to use my hard bristle brush and really brush that down into place just so it's all nice and smooth and neat. So then once I'm done with that, I'm just going to flat twist. And if you know how to flat twist, it's super simple to do. And if you don't know how to flat twist and you know how to French braid, well, I guess if you know how to French braid, you should know how to flat twist because it's much more simple. But you can do a French braid for this part if you want to. I've done this hairstyle with the French braid. That's what I love about this hairstyle. It's super duper versatile. So you can choose if you want to do a braid or a flat twist or whatever. So yeah, well, I'm just going to flat twist that back as tight as possible and just really take my time and, you know, just try to make everything smooth as I go. If I need to add more cream or more Eco Style or whatever, I'm going to add that as I go. And once I get to the end, I'm just going to add a rubber band to the end just so that it all stays nice and tight and doesn't get loose or anything like that. I'm just going to repeat the same exact steps for the other side of my hair. Okay, so once I'm done with the other flat twist, I'm just going to tighten everything just to make it even more, you know, secure. And then I'm going to add more Eco Styler gel just to make this lay down and look as bomb as possible. So then for the part that I did not twist, I'm just going to go back and I'm going to twist the ends of my hair on both sides. And then I'm just going to wrap those around each other and just use bobby pins just to secure it. I used about 3 bobby pins on each side just to make sure it stays secure. As you can see, it's looking really nice, and it was quick and simple to do the back. Okay, so now to the front section, which is going to bring this whole hairstyle together. I'm just going to add some hair cream to my hair once again to make sure it's really nice and moisturized. And as I always say, this is the front of our hair, so it's got to be popping. So I'm just going to, you know, really moisturize my ends and everything, and then I'm going to part like 1-inch sections, comb it through, and then I'm just going to flexi ride. And again, since this hairstyle is so versatile, you literally can do a twist out for the front, which I have done before. You can do a braid out or perm ride set. You literally can do whatever you want to do with the front, but if you want to do like me, then you just use your medium size flexi rides. You only need like 9 or 10 of them. And yeah, so I'm just going to flexi ride the front of my hair, continue to comb it through, add some cream to my hair to make sure it's really nice and shiny and moisturized, and then just keep flexi riding my hair until I'm done with the front.
To tell me you were ready. I know what to do if only you would let me. As long as you're cool with it, I'll treat you right. Here is where you wanna be. I know them other guys, they've been talking about the way I do what I do. They heard I was good, they wanna see.
Okay, so this is what it looks like once it's done. I think I literally only used like 8 flexi rides. That's all you need. This hairstyle was so quick to do. Like, it literally only took me like 10 or 15 minutes. But to make sure that the back of my hair really lays down and my waves are really popping and everything, I'm just going to add my silk scarf to the back and tie it down. And if you want to, you can blow dry the back of your hair and the front, but I want to put as least heat as I can. So I just slept with my hair overnight, and this is the next morning. And yes, honey, the back of my hair is laid. So now you just want to add some type of oil to your fingers just to help with the frizz. Anytime I'm doing a twist out or braid out or any hairstyle, I always add a little bit of oil to my fingers because it really helps a lot with the, having less frizz. So I added some castor oil to the tips of my finger, and then I'm just going to take down my flexi rides. Just take it down the opposite way that you rolled it. It's really simple. So if any of your pieces are still wet, I had one piece that just did not want me to be great. So all you literally have to do, and since it's a little bit damp still, all you have to do is blow dry that piece just for like a minute or less, and then use your wand curler. So if you have a wand curler, you literally can get the same exact curl that you got with the flexi rod. So that's a really quick fix if you end up with the problem that I had. So yeah, I'm just going to take my time and keep separating until I get it to the thickness and fluffiness and everything, how I want it. Okay, so to the last part to bring this all together, all I'm going to do is bobby pin my hair to the side so that it's not directly in my face so that I can see. But you literally can do this front part however you want to. If you want it laying like a bang in front of your face, you can do that. Like I said, this hairstyle is super versatile, so you can do the front however you want to. But I just put a couple of bobby pins in there to shape it how I want it to lay. And yeah, that's literally it. I love this hairstyle so much. It's so cute, it's so simple and so quick to do. This hairstyle lasted me about 3 days, but it could have lasted longer if I just reflexi right at the front of my hair. So if you did do a twist out or something, you can just redo your twist out or braid out or whatever, and it could last possibly a week. So yeah, I just really hope that you love this video. I hope that it was helpful to you in some way. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next upload. Bye. Baby, tell me if you like it. Tell me if you like it. Now, I've been waiting. Think I wanna make that move.